Welcome back. Today I have Kris with me. Super fun, gorgeous person. She literally, and she brings her husband and he gets his hair cut. We're doing his next. But anyway, yes, she is the happiest, like just easygoing, just a sweetheart. But that's a little bit about Kris. Her hair is absolutely darling. It's super good cut for curly short hair, and she has a lot of it. So you can tell there's curl. It's not kinky curly, but if I turn her around, you can see all this curl. Anyway, what we do is we like to have it short. We are going to leave the length here, but we're going to take it in a tiny bit. And then she likes to just, when she dries it, she likes to dry the back up. And then just lift this up and have her bangs to the side. So anyway, we will get started. We're going to start down here on the bottom. It's super fun. So usually we do a dark color on the bottom, a little bit lighter on the top, but an all over color. And today we decided that we were gonna do a weave. So we decided to do a weave. So I'm really excited to see it dry. We was talking, it's super fun. It's spring. Well, we thought it was until it snowed, but it's fun to change it up. It's always fun to change your hair. It makes you feel a lot better, doesn't it? It does. Okay, now that we have that done, we're gonna start on the top. And she likes this to where she can just dry it and it will stand up. It's been how many weeks? She usually comes.
I'm almost 5 weeks. I'm usually from 2 weeks.
Yes, so she's
a little long.
Yeah, she's a little over double her time. So she comes, she likes to get it trimmed up every 2 weeks. So yeah, she's been about 5 weeks, so it's been quite a bit of time. Okay, so in this back, I'm coming straight down, but I'm not going too much like in. I leave a tiny bit of length out on this end, because when we lift it up, we like to have a little bit of length there too. So we don't take that too tight. We leave it a tiny bit longer. Okay, so we're just point cutting into this, coming all the way down through the back area. And we do lots of texture. In fact, before we started, it was cute. She was like, now remember, a lot of texture through the top, sides, back, get it all textured. Especially with this much hair, like it's hard to keep it to where it wants to lift. And so if you have a lot of texture, it helps so much. And that's why she likes to come back every 2 weeks, just to keep it trimmed up and textured, so the texture stays in there, so it's easier for her to style. But her hair does grow like a weed. It definitely grows fast. But yeah, every time you see Kris, her hair is perfect. It's done. It's not funny. I am not funny, do not. Every time I've seen it, she just styles it perfect. I'm like, okay, well, nothing like having it.
Nothing like being OCD, is there?
Yeah, see, there you go. I love it. That's cute. It is. It reminds me of my mom. My mom is just like always done up and always have everything just right. In a good way. You know what I mean? It's not a... Okay, so I'm lifting this up. And that, Kris, do you want to feel back there and feel and see if that's... that gonna be short enough?
Just a
Like
little bit longer.
off through this area. Okay, perfect. So I always like her to feel, you know, because she obviously knows exactly what she likes, like the length. So anyway, we're gonna take a little bit off through this area, just so it will stand and be easy. Okay. All right, now we are going to match over here. Yeah, that'll be nice to have all that gone. That is extra long for you. Was it hard to do?
Mhm.
Yeah. I bet. Okay, then sides, we're coming through the sides. And make sure that that is cut down some. Okay. And then as soon as we get to the top, obviously, I'll show you how to double check your work. I'm gonna come over here. This is what I did on the other side. Just to take that length off. Okay, then you're gonna come up. And this way, this is the way you can check it to see if there's something out of place. You can go up the opposite way that you cut it to double check. So I cut vertical, so look, I'm just going up horizontal this way to double check my work. Make sure everything's lined up, make sure there's nothing longer. Okay, all right, now we're gonna do this top. Yep, that's gonna be nice to have off. He was probably wondering where to stick all that hair, wasn't you? And cut into this. Okay, all right, now I'm just gonna push this to the side. Now, as far as her length over in this part, we're not gonna really touch because she's liking the length. So what we're gonna do is just bring this in a tiny bit, just so it doesn't get bulky, because she likes the length, but the bulk, we don't wanna deal with bulk. Okay. And of course, I'm just making sure that this is falling out while I trim the rest of this, because that's the length. So you want that to fall out so you don't get into that length. Okay, now by her ear, I'm gonna double check this, even though we're leaving this length. I'm gonna double check from back here where that's cut, and I'm going to connect that. Okay, and then we'll leave that length there. Okay, now over here, we're gonna hold this out, take some of this bulk, and bring it up into these layers up here. Oh, sorry, you have hair on your nose. Sorry, tickling. Okay, again, I'm letting that drop out down there so I don't take length, but I'm taking a little bit of length and bulk off of the sides. Okay, so we're gonna leave that, but we are going to connect the back up here to these sides. Okay, now even though we're leaving this length, it seems bulky, kind of one length. So I do want to come in, take a little bit of this out just so it's not like one length. I felt like it was too one length there. So I'm just taking a little bit out of there just to soften that, because I don't want it really bulky, especially where she has a lot of hair. So we're just going to come in, take a little bit of this out, just so it's not, like I said, super bulky, and so it doesn't feel like one length. Okay, Sweet, now we'll just come up to our bang area, go on an angle. Just gonna take these off a tiny bit through this area. Okay, and then of course we're gonna come by the ears because we need to make sure this is all the same length. We're just gonna check the sides. Okay, so see, there's a little bit longer right through this area, so we're just gonna take a tiny bit of this off. Okay, go ahead and start filling that if you will, sweetie, and just kind of make sure. That's what I'd like to do. If you have short or you know a person that they really know the length of their hair, what they like, just ask them to fill around. There's times that we've taken more off here, or, you know, even after I dry, because sometimes when it comes over this way, it feels bulky, more bulky over here. So I will take the thinning shears and just kind of thin that out more there for her, just because it gets so bulky. So it just depends, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Half the time when we dry it, we take more hair out.
Different.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So true. So you can see I'm just coming throughout this hair, and I'm taking the texturizing shears. And Kris has plenty of hair. Obviously, I'm not going too hog wild, but I know how much she needs, and it's a lot. So that's why I went throughout her hair. And then I'm gonna come up through the top, especially because this is where it gets heavy and it feels bulky. So I'm gonna come through and take some more chunks. This is the chunky. And I'm just gonna take a little bit more out through this top area so it's easier for her to style. Okay, tiny bit back through this area where she dries it up. And that way, that is going to give it texture back there. So it's not just all one length. Okay, now we're just gonna take this hair out. I'm so excited to see the light in it. Yay, it's gonna be fun. Okay, now she has thick hair, so I'm using, it's called the Wow. If you guys have seen this before, I'm using this. This makes it really smooth and shiny. Takes any frizz out. So I'm just rubbing that in real good. And then this is a smoothing spray too, just doing a little bit. And I don't know if you guys have seen this, it's the IGK, the Good Behavior. Ooh, and it smells yummy too. I love the smell of that. So yes, I'd like to put a little bit of that in also. All right, and now we're going to dry. And we're just gonna dry this up. Move your fingers back and forth. Her hair goes so good like this, being so thick. It just looks so good on her. Now, when you're drying, I want to give a little tip. Don't dry in just one spot. Like, don't do this, you know, because you're going to get like a big split or something in the back. So just make sure that you're moving. Even if you turn it on low, just move the blow dryer and your fingers so you don't just get one hole in the back. Okay, and on the top, I'm going back and forth. Of course, the side, we're just going to do straight down. Then the Epic brush. All right, now, do you need me to blow off your face a little bit? Okay. Good. Is that good?
Yes.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, I'm just gonna double check all of this. Make sure. Take a tiny bit right here. So, any haircut, you guys, if you need to go back and cut after you dry, do it. Because sometimes what happens is you cut it a certain way, and if it dries a little different because of the way your hair grows or something, it's going to dry different. So you might as well go back, double check everything, and just fix anything that needs to be fixed, or shortened, or textured. Do you want to check that side and see if it's thin enough? Sorry. We just, on that one side, it gets really thick.
Yeah, I think we're fine.
About right? Okay, perfect. Awesome. Her hair pretty much stands up on its own. I just do a tiny bit up through this top. Okay, sweet. Now the styling paste, we're going to start up on the top and kind of grab at it, pull at it, bring this front down, and just kind of piece that out. Okay, and then back here, same thing, we're just gonna grab at it, just kind of piece this out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for you to see the color. Yay. Okay, so I'm gonna turn her to the mirror so we can see. Hey, what can you, is it hard with the lighting to see?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be great.
Okay, when we get, I'll take you out to see with the lighting. It's kind of dark in here today. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna back home a tiny bit and then I'm gonna show you, turn her around. But I do love the weave on the top. I'm loving that. It's gonna be fun. Okay. Get it right here. Okay, so spray that. We love spray. She loves hairspray too.
I was just gonna say,
Yeah.
a lot.
Yep, she loves hairspray. She's my gal. Okay, I'm gonna turn her around one more time. Feel better? Okay, sweet. Awesome, awesome. Okay, I'm gonna turn her around so you guys can see the whole back. All right, thank you so much, Kris, for letting us share your gorgeous hair and your gorgeous self. Thank you. You're awesome. You bet. You guys have a phenomenal day. It's good to see you again, and we hope to see you next video, and hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. See ya.